Hello everyone. So Black Friday is still going on. Today is 30th of Sunday and I am going for the Vancouver for get some stuff on this Black Friday day, and let's see what is over there, because in here Victoria I couldn't find the Apple things also. So I am going for that thing also over there, the Vancouver side. So here is the ferry behind me. Now I am going to sail on it and let's go together. So in the winter time, we know that the ferry is like kind of 1 hour gap. So every 2 hours, we'll get the ferry and other thing. So we have I have got my ferry and I have ride on it. Right now I am in the middle of the ocean, and look at the scenario, guys. It's really a cold vibe, but today is a sunny day. Yeah. So in the winter vibe, you are having the sunny moment. It's such a blessing. In the ship, you are having the fresh air with the others, natural view with the ocean, the mountain, with the ice. It's really eye-catching. I am desperate to grab my Black Friday things from the Vancouver side. So let's stay with me and let's go there and see what can I get. I will not buy a lot of things, but definitely something in Apple, because they are giving some promotional offer, right? So I will try to grab that one by myself. Hi everyone, so I am now in front of the Apple store. Let's see what is inside there. Let's go with me. So I am going for the Apple store. It's a busy and beautiful sunny day. I am enjoying the environment. Look at the logo, bro. This is the logo everyone is like hunting for, right? Apple makes themselves so clear with this. Oh, it's a brand, huh? There is a lot of things in here, so I am seeing the Apple Watch now. Let's see which one can I buy, but it's really interesting for me. I want to see the iPhone also. We have a plan for buy a laptop today or maybe in few months, but let's see. But in here, it's like buy everything.